Good morning mga boss, welcome back sa ating channel. Mabilisan lang na vlog. So cold start, what is cold start po? Cold start is yung after at least 24 hours na nakatambay yung sasakyan, or para yung malamig na yung makina ng sasakyan, so para naka-set in na yung oil niya. So yun yung pag pinaandar mo, yan yung cold start. So cold start is normal lang yan. For example ito, madaling araw. So yun, as you can see, naka green pa yung temp natin. Wait lang. Alright, nag-turn on ako ng ilaw. Hindi nakasara yung... Okay, so yun. So yun yung cold start, yun yung indicator niya na malamig pa yung sasakyan. So pag ganyan, huwag kayong matakot kasi normal lang yan. So normally, mga around 3 to 5 minutes, depende sa outside temperature din. 3 to 5 minutes, mawawala na yan. So painitin na natin yung sasakyan. At the same time, magsi-circulate yung oil niya sa buong makina. Right? So yan yung indicator dyan. Pag nawala na yan, so pwede nang it's advisable talaga na antayin na uminit yung makina ng sasakyan para pwede nang patakbuhin. Yung warning sign is kung pula yan, kung color red yung indicator na yan, meaning overheat. So yan yung delikado. Pero ganyan, green, no worries kasi that's very normal. Alright, so yun lang naman mga boss. Madali ang video lang. Alright, so yun, wala na yung na turn off na yung cold engine indicator. So pwede na nating paandarin. Alright, thank you so much mga boss, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.